Good afternoon, everyone. So, this is the continuation lecture of powers and duty of director. So, in previous lecture, we have studied about the types of director, appointment of director, his power and duty. In this lecture, we will talk about the liability of directors and the meeting held in a company. So, if we talk about liability of director, first liability is to pay qualified share. So, if a person is qualified, if a share is qualified to pay, so he need to make arrangement of payment of such qualified shares. Uh, the liability of director in case of misstatement in prospectus. So, in the prospectus, see, prospectus is the statement or a document which is used for uh, inviting subscription of the shares in general public. So any misstatement, if it is there, so director shall be liable for that misrepresentation. uh, any fraudulent business conduct and all associated debts and contracts executed. So if any fraudulent business is uh, held in the company, so director shall be liable for that also. A director is liable for making disclosure of stipulated by SEBI and other appropriate authority. There are many documents which is required by SEBI and the ROC of the company. So he is liable to disclose such documents to the appropriate authority. So director may be held liable along with the company in check bouncing or dishonor under Negotiable Instrument Act. So, in case of situation where the check is bounced or any negotiable instrument like promissory note or bill of exchange is dishonored, so company is liable for that dishonor under negotiable instrument, as well as director is also liable for that. Then director has liability under income tax act. So income tax of a company need to be submitted and fair, by for which the liability of director is arises. And any other offenses under labor law, especially in case of employees provident fund and miscellaneous provisions act, factories act. So any offense if occur in your company under the labor laws, so the director shall be liable for that also. So these are the liabilities of director. Now we talk about the meetings in a company. So in a company, meetings are necessary. So meeting is basically a get together or a assembly uh, of two or more person for the transaction of some lawful business in for common concern. So like any association, company should also go for meeting of shareholders to collectively decide or discuss about the affairs of the company. So there are various kind of meetings in a company. So first meeting is known as statutory meeting. It need to be held only once in the lifetime of a company, and it should be held within 1 to 6 months of commencement of business of a company. So it is only meeting, and it is the first meeting with the shareholders. It, where see but it is not necessary for a private limited company or company limited by guarantee or unlimited liability company. It is only required for public limited company, so that they can issue subscription of shares to the to their shareholders. Second kind of meeting is annual general meeting. So annual general meeting where all the shareholder meets once in a year. So it is in this meeting the directors are rotational directors are decided. Any major decision related to merger, acquisition, or any sort of important affair related to the company is discussed. So the gap between two annual general meetings should not be more than 15 months. Then third kind of meeting is known as extraordinary general meeting. As the name suggests, it is the meeting in between the annual general meeting. If any major decision has to be taken right now, an annual general meeting is suppose going to happen after 2 months. So in between two AGM, special meetings with all the shareholders can be conducted. So if it is conducted only if it is very urgent, so such meetings are called extraordinary general meeting. Next kind of meeting is called board meeting. So board meeting is the meeting of direct board of directors. So it meeting, such kind of meeting happens periodically. So it should happen minimum 4 times in a year. Uh, Next is type of meeting is known as class meeting. So when a special type of shareholders or a special class of shareholders call for meeting to protect their interests, such meetings are called class in meeting. So these are the kinds of meeting. So in this lecture we have discussed about the liability of director and the kind of meetings in a company. So that is it for the day. Thank you so much.